Welcome back to Graphic Island YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna share with you 25 attractive mascot logos which you can download completely for free with license, and you can use it for both personal and for commercial purposes. So I'll take 1 minute and I'll show you all the 25 mascot logos, and after that I'll take you to the download page and I'll show you the instructions how you can download those 25 mascot logos completely for free. A new trend of the logos is going on the market nowadays is the mascot logos, which easily attract the viewers a lot. So let's have a look all the 25 logos, and after that I'll take you to the download page. The good thing here is while you download the files from the websites I'm gonna share with you, you will get a free license and you can edit it, you can change the name, and you can use it for both personal and for commercial uses. And while downloading, no need to do registrations. You can simply visit the website and with one click you can download the complete folder with the source files. So that's really a good thing. And here you can see there are lots of gaming logos are there, especially nowadays the YouTube which is having content like online game streaming or related to game, they will find it more and more attractive than any other industries on the mascot logos. Now let me take you to the website from where you can download them all. This is the website known as Graphics Family. You can simply type on your browser www.graphicsfamily.com and you can directly come to this website. I'll also give a link of this website to the description of this video. You can click over the link by going to description and you can also come directly here. So after coming to this website, how to download those and how to find the logos just I showed you earlier. So there is a search bar. Here you need to type mascot, M-A-S-C-O-T, mascot logo. Just type it and enter. So here all the mascot logos will appear here. So those are the logos I showed you. So just I am scrolling down fastly. So once you come to the end of this page, here you can see numbering. To this first page, all those logos are available, and now if you want to download more logos, then click on the second page. So this way there are 4 pages and you will find all the logos I showed you. Now how to download it? So I want to download this logo. Suppose this is the logo I want to download. So below the image you will find the name. So you need to click over this text. After clicking there, you'll see your page will arrive like this, free tiger logo mascot. And do one thing, give the love sign. They are giving you free, at least you can do that. And here is a free download. So just click over this. After clicking, your download will be started here. I'll open this folder and show you what the things inside this folder. So our file is downloaded now. Let me open it. And once you open the file, you can see here this is EPS file. One image file is there. So you can use this EPS file in your Illustrator and Photoshop. Even you can use it for Corel Draw as well, and you can edit it, you can change the text, and you can use it. Hope this video was helpful for you. You can support Graphic Island by doing like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.